You have a better angle. You just fall off and Shyla laughs. That's so funny. Okay, do it again. Do it again.
No.
Oh.
You guys found a fun game, huh? Are you trying to revive him?
She wants you to get up and do it again, Shane. Get up, do it again. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down, Shane. That's so fun, isn't it? You just fall off. Shane, do it again. Uh-oh, Shane's going to do it, Shyla. Oh. Yeah. Oh, no, you did it. Oh.
Oh, you guys going nighty-night?
Say bye-bye.
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 Can you say please?
Shane, can you say please?
Can you say please, Shane?
Please?
Charlie, you want to say it again?